I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Deepseek account on an Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to open the Deepseek app on your iPhone or iPad, and then tap the menu icon at the top of this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap your email shown at the bottom of this menu. Your Deepseek profile menu is displayed. Step 3. Tap Delete Account at the bottom of this menu. A window pops up letting you know that deleting your Deepseek account will forfeit any unused balance and block access for all Deepseek services. Step 4. Tap Delete if you're sure you want to delete your Deepseek account. Your Deepseek account will be deleted immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.